Hello class and welcome back. We have another debugging exercise. We're going to take a look at it. So we have this class debug 2.4. We need a space between class and debug. Let's see. Entered integer. Entered integer. There needs to be an E right there. And more or less. So we need to have a comma between more and less. That took care of all the red squiggles. Let's run the program, see if the logic is correct now. Let's do 5. Oh, and it is not. So we have right line one more than something is something and one less than something is something. So these placeholders are not correct. So we need one more than 0 is 2. So the way this is going is this placeholder has parentheses. That's not right. We need to go ahead and put curly braces in place. And it should run now. So we're looking for the first index, which is the numbered entered, and the next placeholder would be more, and then we're looking at the numbered entered again, and then the next placeholder would be less. So that should be right. Let's go ahead and see. You entered 5. One more than 5 is 6. One less than 5 is 4. All right, that is our debug. That's all it is. Again, it checked our placeholders, made sure we understood that, made sure we understood that variable names need to be exactly the same when we type them out, and it just checked our logic overall. So good debugging exercise. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.